if you're trying to figure out how to get invited to the new Facebook content monetization program and get rid of the waiting list, stop doing what you're doing right now. Because in this video, I will show you how to manually submit your interest form to Meta and a set backing requirement you must hit to trigger an automatic invite link. And you should avoid if you don't want Facebook to remove content monetization program on your page. A lot of people lost their monetization, demonetized. Let me the word demonetized because they are doing these 5 things I'm about to mention on this video. And 5 things you should do it, you should start doing, okay, so that your page will continue to earn. Very you must have to pay attention. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how a lot of people are getting invited using one trick. This trick, basically, a lot of people don't even know it is happening. It's happening right now on Facebook, and people are getting invited using that tips or that's a trick.
Let me walk you through how to submit your own interest form. Go to your professional dashboard. When you click on it, scroll down until you see monetize. Click on content monetization. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Then submit your own interest form. Because I already submitted, I'm going to update it. When you click on this update, this page is going to appear. All you need to do is what? Select your category. If you are artist, you select artist. If you are coach, comedian, but I basically choose digital creator because you can post anything. Then select digital creator. Depending on what you are doing, okay. Then click done. Then the next thing you need to do is what? Select a format. Like select content format. What kind of video do you like to post? So let's just select all of them. Photo, race, text, story, select all of them. Then here is the important part. This is where you're going to add the kind of content that you create. For me, I post about lifestyle. So this is what I'm going to write. I'm interested in content monetization because I curate original lifestyle content that share my everyday life through silent vlog, cooking, cleaning, grocery shopping, and simple daily routine. My goal is to inspire others with authentic blah blah blah. You click what? Submit. This is the important part. This is what I want to say. Make sure that you have a niche. Okay, have a niche, very important. Then this is the part I forgot to add. Here you can add your own your other social accounts. Like I prefer you add Instagram because this is related. This is a Facebook application. Add your username and how many followers do you have, then submit. That is it.
Let's talk about the eligibility first. First thing you need to know is that your page must be active for at least 30 days. And secondly, you need between 5K to 10,000 followers depending on your country. And let me emphasize on these followers of 18. Facebook can invite you even if you have 1K followers or so. All you need to do is what? Grow your account like 1K, at least 1K. It can trigger this invitation. And number 3 is what? You must at least have 5 active public upload in the last 30 days. And the last one is what? You must be 18 years and above. Know this. And the next thing I want to say is what? You must reside in an eligible country. That will bring me here. If you reside in an eligible country, there is a way you can invite someone to manage your page. So if you want me to manage your page, you can let me know in the chat, because if you reside in an eligible country, we'll be able to join this Facebook content monetization. Or there is a way we can actually help you out so that you start earning. Even if you reside in an eligible country. Do you get my point? You can message me on Facebook, Blessing TV. That is my name on all the social media. Or you can use the email on my bio to contact me. Then the 5 things you should avoid. Number 1, which is very important, a lot of people are doing, is watermark. Whenever Facebook detects there is watermark on your video, they are going to reduce your reach drastically. That video is not going to go far. So remove TikTok watermark, InShot watermark, CapCut. When you finish editing your video, go and remove that watermark. Very important. And number 2, things you should avoid is what? Don't post people's contents on your page. Yes, if you post other people's contents on your page, and you don't know whether that person turn on content protection, Facebook is going to demonetize, because that person can report to your page. It will bring your video down or bring your page down. Then number 3 is what? Music. And there is a lot of music you can use on Facebook. I'm going to show it on the screen. There is royal-free music you can use. Do not use copyrighted music. If you use somebody's music and your page is not monetized, when your page is monetized, you can use other people's music because you guys are going to share revenue. But presently, right now, let me tell you the honest truth. If you are using other people's music, the owner of that music is totally claiming anything. It's better not to use other people's music to post your video. Use royal free music. Use this music you're seeing on the screen. And the first part of using other people's music is that there are some countries that do not support that music. So when you upload video or upload video that is carrying so and so music, first we're going to mute that music in that country that does not support so and so music. Do you understand? You do understand what I'm trying to say? So if they mute your video, how are you going to get views? They don't understand what you're doing. If they don't write, if they not write anything of that on your video, people are not going to watch your video. I'm going to show I already deleted the video because I use copyrighted music and Facebook muted that video. Like they muted the the video because I use copyrighted music. So people are not watching that video. They're not posting too many videos or posting too many contents in a short period of time. You post one, let me say you post one video right now. The next 5 minutes, you already post another one. No. We are basically spamming the system and Facebook does not support this. And when you post so many videos like that, they are going to also shadow ban your video. And in this video, I explain what is mean of shadow ban, how to get rid of shadow ban so that your page starts growing again, stop getting that visibility that you want. So go and watch this video. You're going to explain. I explain everything you need to know about shadow ban. Very important. Let me ask you sharing. It is okay for you to share your video. Yes, Facebook encourage you to share your video, but don't share too many. Share like 1 or 2, or let me say 3 is highest, and you're okay. Then allow your followers, your fans, your family to share the rest. This sharing, that is very important, is what is going to take us the next thing, or the other things I want to say in this video, things that you should start doing. Okay, first is what? Post your own original content. Very important. Facebook prioritize original content. When you are the owner of that content, the voice, your face, the camera that you use, everything is all about you. Facebook basically wants to push your content to the right audience, which I'm about to say in this video, which it was topic or niche, the kind of content you like to post. Let me use myself as an example. I post about comedy. So people that love comedy would like to watch my video. People that people that watch a video that are going to make them laugh. So have a niche. Very important. And remove all those watermark of a thing. If you don't know how to remove it, go and learn how to edit this video. Then avoid spamming the system. If your page, let me say you have like 1,000 followers, 5,000 followers, post moderate. Post, let me say 3 to 5 times a day. That is what they call audience fatigue. When you are posting too many videos, you are posting 3, 10 videos a day, your followers will get tired of you. And some of them will start also following you. That is why you start losing followers. Post moderate, 3 to 4 times a week is okay. If you watch me to this step, I'm not subscribed to this channel. What are you waiting for? Subscription is free. You're not paying blessing for anything. Okay, hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. Yes, if you like Facebook tips, subscribe. If you don't like Facebook tips, don't subscribe. And you see that notification closer to it, turn it on start. You will be the first person to watch my video. And if you have any question about Facebook content monetization, Facebook tips, any problem you're going through, any struggle, drop it in the chat. Like I say, I read everything. Like anybody that drop comments, I'm going to read everything. I don't skip anything. And I prioritize my subscribers. I welcome everybody, both old and new. Drop your question. I'm going to reply you with just normal text. I'm going to make another video to answer your question. The three that I talk about, like this challenge. If you have not joined this challenge, lots of people are getting invited just by joining this challenge you're seeing on the screen. So if you join the challenge and miss the legible views, let me tell you guys something. Don't go and pay somebody to promote your views, because Facebook, they are tracking where your views are coming from. If it's from that fake site, fake wherever, they are not going to send this content monetization to you. So a lot of people join this challenge, and they actually was invited recently. Like this person, this screenshot you're seeing on the screen, she got this invitation just by posting her own video. And what did she do? She posted 30-second videos and the video went viral. So this is kind of thing that you should prioritize. You should be doing instead of us trying to fake views. You're not going to get invited. So if you did not follow this, if you did not join this challenge, wait until Facebook send it again. That is very important. That is very important for you to be checking your dashboard. You don't know what Facebook will have for you. How am I laughing? You don't know what Facebook will have for you. So always check your dashboard so that if there is any update, you'll be the first person to see it. That is it for today. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. Okay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share this video to your friends who are content creator, Facebook creator, to watch this video and learn something from it. Until next time, Blessed and Easy TV is out. Scroll wisely. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.